Hello again, first graders. This is Miss Kelly with your math lesson of the day for Tuesday, April 21st. Today, we are going to identify, represent, and count on from numbers between 0 and 120. What that means is we're going to identify the number. We're going to figure out what number it is. We're going to represent that number using our quick tens. And then we're going to count on from that number. We're going to use our knowledge of tens and ones and number patterns to help us count on from that number. Let me show you what I mean with my first example. Okay, so I have my number here. I need to think in my head, what number is that? I see 3 tens. I know that's 30 and 2 ones. This would be the number 32. Okay, I've identified my number. This is a number 32. Now I know I want to represent it with tens and ones. One way I can do that is with quick tens. Looking carefully at my number, how many tens are in the number 32? 3 tens. So I know I need to draw my 3 quick tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. Okay. Now I need to look at my ones place and see how many ones do I have. I see 2 in my ones place. That means I have 2 ones. 1, 2. I need to make sure that I got all the way to 32, so I'm going to go back and count my number. Get ready to count with me. 10, 20, 30. Make sure you clap when you run out of tens. 30, 31, 32. Did I represent my number 32 using my quick tens? Yes. Now I know I want to count on from the number. That means I'm going to start at 32 and I need to count on. So let's think in your head. 32. What would come next? 33. What would come next? 34. See, I notice my ones are changing. 32, 33, 34. So far, only my ones are changing. If I go from 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, what's going to be next? 35. And what's our next one? 36. Beautiful. So now I was able to identify my number. I was able to draw it or represent it with quick tens. And then I could count on from 32. We're going to do another one together. Okay, we're at my next practice problem. Now we know my step number 1 is to identify my number. So look at my number and think in your head, what could this number be? This is a number 56. You're right. Okay, I know my number is 56. Now I need to be able to identify how many tens, how many ones, and draw them with my quick tens. Think in your head. How many tens do we see in 56? There are 5 tens because I see a 5 in my tens place. So let me draw that out. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Beautiful. Now look, how many ones will be in my number 56? 6 ones, because I see a 6 in my ones place. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones. I have my 5 tens and my 6 ones. I want to make sure I got to 56, so I'm going to go back and count. Count with Miss Kelly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Beautiful job, first grade. We drew out the number 56 using our quick tens. Now we know Really smart first graders are able to count on from any number. So we're going to start at 56. Get your brain ready. We're about to count up and count on. Here we go. 56, 57. What would come next? 58, 59. What would be my next one? 60. You're right, first grade. Count again with me. Let's practice it one more time. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You guys are doing so awesome. We're going to practice one last one together, and then I'm going to have you do the last three as your work for today. Okay, this is the last example that we're going to do together. And then you are going to do 3 problems on your own as your homework today. Miss Kelly is trying to trick you with this number. I'm going to give you a few seconds. Think in your head and identify what number is on our board. This is the number 98. Great job, first grade. This is going to be a tough one, so I want to take a few seconds. Think in your head. How many tens are in my number 98? You're right, there are 9 tens. I know that because I see the number 9 in my tens place. Let me draw that out. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. Let me go back and make sure because I want to make sure I have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. Beautiful. Okay. Look at my ones place. How many ones do I need to add? 8 ones. Let me add that to my drawing. 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones. How can I be sure if I got all the way to 98? Let's go back and count. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. We were able to show the number 98 with 9 tens and 8 ones. Now comes the tricky part, first grade. We need to be able to count on from this number. I have the number written right here. I want us to practice out loud. What would come next? 98, 99. Good job. What's going to come after 99? 100, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. Good job, first grade. Now say it with me. 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. Beautiful job, my friends. Remember the 3 things that you need to work on today. You need to identify the number, draw it out with quick tens, and then count on. Now it's your turn, first grade. I have 3 problems here for you today. You're going to be able to draw out with quick tens and then count on. Again for B, use your quick tens and then count on. And for C, you draw your quick tens, then count on. You should have all 3 problems on your work today for math. Can't wait to see it. Keep working hard, first grade.